Hello, this is Sweet Heavenly Dove. Welcome to my Dollar Tree haul. What did I see at Dollar Tree? Let's begin. Well, we're just ending the last of the Easter. Look at these pillowcases. Awesome. Easter is Sunday. Then we have this beauty item by Global Beauty Care, Pore Purifying and Exfoliating Cleansing Balm made with guava nectar, PHAs, and azelaic. I think that's how you pronounce it. Acid. I read that it's good for acne. Who knows? But it is a great, wonderful find if you want some purifying and exfoliating. Then we come up with all this glow up blush. Dollar Tree always has so many different beauty items. If you are a makeup girl, Dollar Tree might be a place for you to go, especially if you are on a budget, right? Let me know if you're a budget makeup girl. And then it has LA Colors with this Shea Butter lip balm. Two different colors I found. That is so peachy peach on that one. So if you love peach, on your lips. There's the color. And over to the left, look at that tinted lip balm. I overlooked it. Awesome. And then we have these antibacterial hand wipes in two scents, Citrus Grove and Coconut Lemon. Awesome. There are 25 wipes in all. Great to even try. Get ready for summer. They have tannings. I guess this is what you call spray tanning. Awesome. Summer tanning. And then we have this pure aloe soothing. So if you get a sunburn, just spray it on it. It's in a spray bottle. You can throw it in your beach bag or by your pool. Awesome find. Next, we have the wipes in the pure aloe soothing. So if you don't want to take a spray bottle, they have wipes. You can use those as well, or both. Another summertime must-have, Centella Soothing and Cooling Face Stick. And it tells you what it has in it: hyaluronic acid, mineral water, and other items. Look at this. Great for Mother's Day. Exfoliating bath glove. And you can see it comes in this green, kind of a mint greenish color. And of course, pink. So you can pick what color you want or buy both. And then they have these pedicure sets in the matching colors, and it's kind of a greenish and in the pink one as well. Great little Mother's Day. Dollar Tree has outdone themselves. I guess Pro Soap Body. They have a moisturizing body wash in Cypress Grove, and it's 32 ounces. And then they have the scent Pesotano Sunset. I forgot to smell it to see what it smells like. With the purple bottle, I'm assuming maybe lavender, but do not quote me on it. Sorry, I did not get a chance to smell it. And then they have two more. These are new to me. I don't know if they're new to anyone else. We have the moisturizing body wash, of course, with the natural extracts, essential oils. This one, the orange one, is citrus and sage, 24 ounces. And the blue one is cypress and berries. Berries, sorry. So, of course, I love citrus. What about you? Wow, laundry stain remover stick contains one soap stick, 2.5 ounces, $1.25 with essential oil of lemongrass. So I'm assuming you just rub on the stain and then wash it and let it set. I'm pretty sure it has directions. And then we have this Biz laundry detergent. This is the first time I'm seeing it. I don't even have I heard of Biz detergent. If you have, let me know in the comment section down below. Always. I love the comments. Bring them on. Then we have Crafter Square. It's been a while since we actually had something new from Crafter Square. We have these collapsible paint brush washers. Awesome. Then you can stick your paintbrush on the outside. Next, we have these magnetic whiteboard erasers, a pack of 6. And each they have stars and circles. So if you have a whiteboard, this might be a little cute little eraser for the children or even for you at school or at home. You know, maybe if you're a homeschool teacher, a little eraser. Then we have these silicone wine stoppers. This one's in a pink cowgirl hat. I've seen other videos, there were other items, but at my Dollar Tree, this is the only, in fact, this was the very last one that I seen at my stores. Amazing. Very. If you love coffee, you may want to try this great blend. It is family owned and it's a product of Brazil. It hasn't expired yet. It's supposed to be like what 100% coffee. So medium roast. Pop Daddy popcorn. Wow, can you believe it? It's jalapeno cheddar popcorn, hand seasoned in small batches. I think these same people who make the pretzels, made with ruby red kernels and pure avocado oil, nothing artificial. Gluten free, made in Michigan. Ooh. And this one is Pop Daddy Pretzels, hot sauce pretzel sticks, hand seasoned in small batches, made with flavor so bold, it's lip smacking, finger looking goodness and crunch. Of course, is made in Michigan as well. These are pop chips. We have 2 flavors. The first one is the original, it's supposed to be 50% less fat, and it's 2.5-ounce value, never fried, always real barbecue flavor. The next flavor is sour cream and onion flavor, pop potato snacks. And there are the nutritional facts so you get an idea whether you want to purchase them or not. This is totally tiny. It's a blind bag surprise. And that's, I guess, one of the surprises in there. There's 2 items. It's kind of odd. And then we have this bath toys organizer. Can you believe it? $1.25. Awesome. You can use it for more than just a baby bath toy organizer. If you have your shower, you can put other stuff in there or hang it up and whatever items you want. Look, Apples to Apples Junior. I actually have the full regular size Apple to Apple games. It's kind of an interesting game. So, this is a way to introduce your children to this game. This is Hot Wheels. If you love Hot Wheels, Dollar Tree always has most of the time they have plenty of Hot Wheels. And if you need Hot Wheels storage container, these hold up to 6 cars each. You know, collector's items, you may want to do it, or you can use it for other storage, especially crafters can put little odds and ends in these containers to help store. And I think these slots are usually a little bit bigger than your regular storage container that Dollar Tree has to offer. Yes, now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. I will be showing you maybe 1, 2, or 3 or 4 dollar plus items. Enjoy! Another item to get ready for summer. This is a Turkish beach towel. It's 48 inches by 60. Can you believe it? $5. 3 different colors: red, tan, and white, blue, tan, and white, black, white, and blue. Turkish beach towels. Can you get it any cheaper? Let me know. Another $5 item, the touch control lamp, battery operated, and it comes in three colors: the gold, silver, and black. Can you believe it? I would have bought it if it wasn't battery operated. I don't want to spend so many batteries to keep this item going. So, everyone, this is all I have for today. Oops, I have one more item. As you can see, archery. Well, everyone, again, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification, subscribe, and send me a comment. Thumbs up. Like I always say, be blessed until next time.